guys, welcome back. It's Maddie and
Madison Perspective Art.
And we are done. We had actually started these tags during a live with on KATERI'S channel, hanging out with some of the girls. She was nice enough to invite us to be with her on her panel, and we were working on these tags today. But we actually finished them, and I had, promised that I was going to go ahead and load them up once I was actually finished, so we could actually show you. Because unfortunately, I didn't get very far on the live, but here they are, and it didn't take too long to make. A little bit longer because I printed the paper. This is actually a kit, a Digi kit from Brenda DiMartino. She is, her channel is Foxie's Creations by Brenda DiMartino. And I'll link it down below in case you guys want to go check out. She has some really cute prints, but I still have all of this left, look. And we used a lot, and I only printed one of each, so, and I've shown these in the other video, but these pages are just delicious. I printed them on regular thin printer paper because I was just trying to test that and see how, oh, look at that, just to see how good that was gonna look. And then I decided, you know what? I used the ink. We're gonna go ahead and use them up. Look at that. How pretty is that? So we did, but we had to reinforce them. So the first thing we did was we went ahead and grabbed some cereal boxes, just cereal boxes, and we went ahead and used our white glue and put the paper over it. Then we went ahead and trimmed it down and made tags rounded the corners, distressed it, and on the back we used this really pretty ledger, vintage looking ledger paper. And then of course we inserted an eyelet on it. So these are the ones that we worked on today and we finalized, but as you can tell, I made them in all sizes, so some are really big like that. Here's that one. Oh, look at those flowers. And those are from the kit. So one side, the side of the ledger, is actually from our own paper pad, but anything else that you see like this is actually going to be from hers. So that side, and then this side. And I left them all kind of plain. I mean, they're beautiful. I don't know if you guys can see those colors on there. It's like a pink, mustard, yellow. I mean, just really pretty colors, cream. I left them this way because I want them to be able to be journaled on this side. But on this side, I want to be able to, depending on what we're going to use them for, get an image or do some mixed media or write a poem or a sentiment or a picture, whatever we're going to be doing. But look at these. Look how cute. Look at those flowers on the bottom. And I didn't do any of that. Like, all of this is actually the way that it comes in the Digi print. Look at that one. That one's just like a journaling card. Look at this little fat short tag with the roses on the sides. How cute. Here's a bigger one of that paper. So you can print them in all different sizes. I love this one. This one's probably my favorite. And then of course the same thing with the tassels. They're ready to go whenever we decide where we're going to be using them. Then we'll go ahead and of course coordinate the tassels accordingly. Look at that one. And these are from the coffee. Uh-oh, honey, be careful, be nice. The dog is not playing very kind right now. Coffee dyed paper. And you'll see some more of those in there. They're delicious. Look at this. I mean, this is another one of those coffee dyed papers that she made. They're just delicious. So all of those we got. Look at that. Wow, it's like a plethora of beautiful tags and cards ready to go from just single, thin pieces of her Digi prints. But that wasn't enough because we still had more left over on top of all this. Yes, indeed. We had more left over. So we went ahead and made a really quick little book journal. It's only got a 1/4 of an inch spine, but that allows it to have a lot of room. And it's got one signature and kept it kind of simple. But look at these papers so you guys get an idea. Look, we did use, we did gel press on the back of these so that they wouldn't be white, because obviously this is one side, but then this side is just ugly. So we did some jelly on there with some acrylic paints, but these are the ones that come in the kit. Like this one. How pretty is this? And just a really quick journal, guys. All we did was grab the beautiful sheets that she had, the images and I'm sorry, the papers, and we just folded them in half, stitched them in, reinforced the spine on the inside when we did the stitching, and then, like I said, oh, look how pretty. Jelly pressed some of the and I love it. These are my favorites, the ones with the doilies. Well, I shouldn't even say that because the coffee ones, the plain coffee ones, are yummy too. I mean, look, seriously, it looks just like the real thing, but except I didn't have to do anything other than print. Look. So really pretty. And then of course, I mean, we made 2 pockets here, and then the one second, babe, here, and then of course on either side. So we can insert some receipts or notes. And it's a nice size because it actually also has even the big ones like that can fit in there. So all of that, guys, from the Digi prints. I hope you have enjoyed it. I hope you see how quickly it can all kind of come together. And if you have any questions, just feel free to ask below. Thanks so much for stopping by. As promised, just a really quick review on how we ended up using this beautiful Digi pack. Thanks so much. Have a blessed day. Bye.
Bye.